Myself Meenal Take, and today I am making here a video of my social studies project. So myself Meenal Take, I am in class 6 Marigold. My roll number is 9. My video topic is social studies project. My school name is Sunrise English Medium School. So let's start. Culture, culture, culture and science. Culture introduction. Due to diversity of culture and heritage, there are different and varied customs, traditions, languages, religious beliefs, etc. in our country. India has a long and rich history. Various developments occurred in ancient India, which brought about changes in the society, economy, political conditions, traditions, and customs, etc. All this can be seen reflected in our culture, including art, architecture, literature, and science. One of the most striking examples of art of the ancient period in India can be found at the Ajanta caves. Literature. In India, both religious and secular texts were composed in the ancient periods. They were written in Sanskrit or Prakrit. Science. There are four noble sons of science, Sant and Acharya of science. First was Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician and astronomer. They wrote Aryabhatiya. Varamamihra. Sant Varamamihra was also a great mathematician and astronomer. They wrote Brihat Samhita. Charaka. Acharya Charaka was also a great sciencer. He was a great physician. He wrote Charaka Samhita on Ayurveda. Sushruta. Sushruta was a great physician and surgeon. They wrote Sushruta Samhita on surgery. Early Hindu architecture. Early Hindu temples were built for gods like Shiva, Vishnu, and Durga. They were both rock cut temples and freestanding temples. Temples. There are two types of temples. One was rock cut temples and second was freestanding temples. Rock cut temples. Rock cut temples was carved out of rock. There are some temples like Kailashnath temple at Ellora, monolithic temple or the Rathas at Mahabalipuram. Freestanding temples. Freestanding temples are made of bricks and stones. They are of two types. First type, Bhitargaon temple near Kanpur, Deurgarh temple near Jhansi, and a temple at Sanchi are example of North Indian freestanding temples. In South India, Sor temple at Mamalapuram and temples built by Chalukya at Eholi. Patadakal and Badami are famous. Painting. In India, painting began during the Stone Age when people started making paintings on the cave wall and rock, for example at Bhimbetaka. I had seen a painting. This painting is Ajanta mural painting and is made of cave walls. Thank you.